grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting.
For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Bambi here again. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button. If you're an old subscriber of mine, hello, welcome, and thanks for supporting me. We are here to do an Amazon haul. They are all Amazon essential items you need in your home, and it's an Amazon must-have. Let's get straight into the video. The first item I have in this haul is a filming item. It's like a reflector you use for bouncing lights on your face. This is my first time using this, and it comes compact like this, so when you open it up, but this is how it is. It comes in 3 different colors. You can open it up and then change it into something else. So this is how it is, and when you're doing like makeup videos or like taking pictures and you want your lights to really pop or concentrate on a particular area, I would advise you get one of these so you can use in taking pictures. I'm going to link this in my description. If you want to get one for yourself, you can click on the link and then get one for yourself. The next items on the list are these. These are like wooden bowls, and you can use them for your salad bowls and all that. I really like them. I don't know, I feel it's a different aesthetics, and I don't really have like wooden items in my kitchen, so I got these. I'm going to link them in my description so you check them out, but you'll be seeing more of these in my vlogs because I'm already in love. I'm going to do oats and all that, and you know I post breakfast videos on my Instagram, link in my bio if you don't follow me on Instagram, so you follow your girl. So I can use this to make my oats and post all that on Instagram, and it's very nice and aesthetic. Moving on, I have been seeing this flower vase all over the internet, ranging from boobies and all. You know, I love aesthetic things. It's actual clay, so when I drop it, it's going to break. I got myself this on Amazon. I'm going to link it in my description. Let me take it out so we can see. You can put like flowers in, or you just leave it like this. I love my home to smell extremely nice, and this is the Spice fragrance collection. It's premium fragrance oil, set of 6 in 10 milliliter bottles. And if you have a diffuser in the house, a few drops of this in your diffuser and your home is going to smell so nice. I love warm scents, so I got these in warm scents, and this is Harvest Spice, apple cider, coffee cake, cinnamon, pumpkin pie, like fall scents. So this is what I got from Amazon. I'm going to link it in my description. If you want it, you can get yourself one. I got a lip plumper from Amazon. This plumper went viral on TikTok, and I got myself a piece. I want to try it and see if it really works. So you're going to see it mostly in my videos when I'm getting ready. But this is how it is. So it's actually called a lip maximizer. Oh, okay. Let me open it up. These 2 tiny bottles, and I hope it works. I can smell the peppermint in this. So I guess this is the plumper, and then this is probably like a coat of that. Okay, so I wiped off my lipstick. I'm going to try this here. We'll all have a first hand of this product. I'm a bit scared, but Let's do it. Immediately no. Ooh. I can feel the burn immediately. It feels like pepper. The next item I got was waxing strip. I do my waxing at home, so mostly I run out of these, so I got a pack of that. And if you're a waxing babe, you need this. It's a value pack. I'm going to link it in my description. Since I'm doing natural now, my hair is all natural, I got a Lota body with milk honey elongates me curl stretcher. This is supposed to stretch out your curl. My hair is a bit tougher in the middle, so I bought this to help with that. And it's light hold, elongate and stretches curl, mixed curl uniform for natural hair, alcohol free, non-drying. And I'm going to link it in my description. If you need it, you can get it from Amazon. Another hair product I got from Amazon is the Chi Iron Guard. I'm going to use this to straighten my hair, and this is a heat protector, paraben free. So this is what I'm going to use to straighten my hair. A link of this will be in my description if you need it, and it's from Amazon too. I broke my stone washer when filming my nighttime routine, so I got myself a metal washer, and this is quite heavy. So I got myself this. I already said this in my nighttime routine. You can use this to massage your skin, massage the muscles on your skin, and it's good for anti-aging. So I don't forget this when doing my evening routine. I got myself a retinol eye cream. Use Vaseline under my eye, and I thought to myself, why not invest in a proper eye cream? So I got this retinol correction line smoothing eye cream, and its advanced retinol visibly reduces fine lines, dark circles and puffiness. It's from Amazon too. A link of this will be in my description. If you want one, you can grab it. Let me open it up so we can see what it's in. It's already spilling out. I'm going to use this for under my eye when I sleep to reduce the dark circles and the puffiness. You can get this on Amazon. Amazon has almost everything. And oh, I'm not sponsored or anything. I bought all of this with my money. I'm trying to learn how to do lashes at home. So I got myself the lash set to try at home. And I think I'm going to film myself putting them on. And this is a 20D 18mm individual lashes. It comes with Stacy Lash Extra Strong Professional Eyelash Extension Glue. So I bought the whole set from Amazon. It comes in a set. I'm going to link it in my description. Lips are still burning, if you care to know. I regret doing this. So you have your instructions here. So it comes with this lash glue. I got these also from Amazon. The link will be in my description. Ooh, my lips are burning. The next item I got from Amazon is this. I wanted to get these pieces to make my videos more interesting, so I got this from Amazon, and I'm going to link it in my description. But it's a heavy glass, very heavy glass, and I love it. I'm glad I got it. More coffee videos on my Instagram, I guess. I got myself another glass piece, and it's this one. I'm scared I'm going to break it, so let me take one out so you see how it is. These comes with 2 straw cleaners, so you can clean your straw like this. If you want to know if my lips are still burning, yes, they are burning me. I hope it's going to get plump. Next items I have here are activewear essentials, fitness essentials. If you're a gym bae, a yoga bae, a Pilates bae, you might need these. I got myself resistance band. It comes in threes, a bigger one, a smaller one, and then the middle size. And this is how they are. Let me take one out so we see how it stretches. So this is how it is, and it's tough. I can't wait to use them. But this is an essential if you're a gym buddy. You understand it, okay? So link will be in my description. Fitness item, which is the clothing item I got from Amazon, is this heat jacket. It's more like a sauna jacket. The lining is this silver material which heats up when you're working out, so it's going to make you sweat a lot. I know they say sweating during workout is not going to make you lose weight. I don't believe that. If I sweat, that is when I know I am working out. So I got myself this to help me when I'm working out, and it's more like a jacket style material which I really love. Every lady has one of these. If you don't believe in waist training, okay, that is fine, but I do believe in waist training, and my old waist trainer is dead and gone, so I got myself this from Amazon, and it's like the latest type. It has like two belts, and it's the Yana. I think this is in a small. Let me check the size. Extra small. It's pretty tight, and I can't wait to rock this. The next clothing item, which is like crop tops for the gym, I'm already wearing one, and I have these two. This is in the black, and this is like a rusty pink color, and I have on the gray. These are like a set when you get them on Amazon. I'm going to link them in my description. They are very breathable, they are very comfortable on the skin, and I really love them. The last item I got from Amazon is more like a sculpting bodysuit, or like a sculpting inner. It depends on how you're going to wear this, but I'm going to wear it as a bodysuit under my blazer. The cap is quite big because that is how I want to feel extra comfortable, because if I wear a blazer, I don't want anything pinching me or pressing me hard. So I got this from Amazon, and that is how the back looks like. A link of this will be in my description. You can get one for yourself, but it has this own metal element here to like press in your stomach and then sculpt you out, which I really like. Links to all these items will be in my description. You can check them out and get pieces for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, this Amazon must-have video. These items are essential in your home and in your lifestyle. Catch you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in my comment section and I'll gladly reply them.
Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now.